Hey guys, just wanted to show you a technique for making a new section in a report, and then how you can use the library categories to kind of populate that section almost instantly with a whole bunch of narratives. So I'm in my laundry chapter, and felt like I have always wanted to have laundry cabinets. So never, don't know why I never did that. So I've been meaning to do it for ages. So I'm going to actually add a blank section, and we're going to call it laundry cabinets. All right. So that's easy, right? I don't even know if I'm going to have pull downs in mind. I kind of just want a place to report on them when there's an issue with them. So might just leave it blank and have it available. But right now, if we view the library, there's nothing in there, right? Because this is blank and new. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to edit the section. Now, my kitchen cabinets is going to have pretty much the same comments as laundry cabinets, right? It's all going to be a bunch of cabinet defect things. So I'm going to go under kitchen, cabinets, and countertops, and I'm going to check that. Oops, I hit that one by accident. So I got 52 comments already made, and now those are pointed to here. So we could now view the library, and we've got, tune-up repairs are needed to cabinets and that kind of thing. Now over time, what I'm probably going to do, just to, let's say tune-up repairs are needed. So now what I might do is go in over time and just start modifying these and give them a text replacement, right? So kitchen, laundry. The other day I was in a dining room that had damaged cabinets. So now there's options, and we could even go back and edit this again. We'll click on this. Let's edit it. And we're going to allow multiple selections. We'll use and. So now kitchen cabinet door and drawer adjustment is needed, but now I can have kitchen and laundry, kitchen, maybe let's add bathroom too. One problem is that the capitalized, so I actually might rewrite this a little bit. So watch this. Cabinet door and drawer adjustment is needed for operation of and then we're going to get it here. It makes it really tricky when because of capitals when you want to have multiple. So now I cannot have to fight that, and we're going to get rid of, just put kitchen on the top. You can see a text replacement's awesome, but you really have to put some thought into how you're doing it. So kitchen, bathroom, laundry, dining room. Office, sometimes there's cabinets too. Right. We're going to allow multiple selections. So now I've modified that comment. I can still use it in the kitchen, but I can start listing all the places where a new construction cabinet door and drawer adjustment is needed for proper operation of the cabinets. Now I've got my red asterisk, so I'm going to come up here and update library. So now over time, as I use these, I can just keep adding that text replacement, and I could go through ahead of time and get them all put in, and maybe I'll do that, or sometimes I just sort of do them as they come up and add my text replacements that way. But pretty neat. I was able to populate a laundry cabinet section and then get a whole library of 52 comments all pre-attached. All right, I hope the video helps. Thanks guys. Bye.